What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. I'm going to be making a really simple salad today. This is something that you make just as a quick bite, something to eat for yourself or for your family if you're in a rush. Super easy. It's basically tomatoes, black beans, olive oil, and a couple other ingredients. It's going to be really delicious, super simple. So let's get right to work. Alright, so this is basically what we're going to be using for ingredients. Like I said, this is super easy. We're going to be using some organic black beans canned. These are from Members Mark. They come from Sam's. Some Himalayan sea salt, olive oil. This is distilled vinegar. We're using some thyme. I've got some romaine lettuce. This is some kale from my garden. I got about 2 yellow tomatoes just chopped into cubes, small cubes, and I got 1/2 a red onion. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna chop our greens, our romaine. I'm just gonna cut this piece off the end. And I'm going to chop the romaine into fine strips, just like that. Now I'm going to take my kale, cut this end, and since these are organic, sometimes what I'll do with this stuff is I'll use it in a smoothie. You'll get all the fiber and stuff from it, and you know, this is actually really good kale. I grew it in my own garden, so it's got tons of nutrition still in it, chlorophyll and all of that. So if you guys don't like to waste, you can use these to make yourself a smoothie. So basically, with a kale, usually I like to take out the big stem in the back. And this is pretty thin, it's not gonna mess up the flavor too badly, but usually this piece, actually I'm gonna cut the whole end. And with the kale, I like to cut this stem pieces. So now I can cut it also into small strips, just like the lettuce. So now we got that all set. I'm gonna go ahead and take our black beans and rinse them and bring them back in to add them all together. Alright guys, so look at this beautiful salad. Look how nice and fluffy it came out and vibrant. This is amazing, just with a couple of simple ingredients. You don't even need any heat. Something that you can prepare within a few minutes for you and your family if you want something quick, and it's loaded with good nutrition, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. If you guys like the video, please give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you really soon on the next one. Okay, so I'm going to dive into the salad, let you guys know how it tastes. It looks amazing. The colors are beautiful, super vibrant. If I use one word to describe it, I would have to say fresh. Super fresh. It tastes really refreshing. Got a little bit of bite from the onions. The thyme gives it a really nice herby flavor. And then you got the beans in there. That makes it a little bit more firm. And you got the crunch from the lettuce. The tomatoes are delicious. This is something that you can make a few times a week and save yourself a lot of time around the kitchen. So definitely recommend it.